Hello everybody! Currently I'm standing in Switzerland, but today we're going to visit Liechtenstein, just over there. To find out how life is in Liechtenstein, we are going to visit Vaduz, the capital of Liechtenstein, which has about 5,500 people living there.
Liechtenstein is the sixth smallest country in the world, and it is surrounded by Austria and Switzerland.
We arrived now in Vaduz city center. It reminds me a little bit of New York, but let's check it out.
Liechtenstein is also very famous because it's one of the richest countries in the world. The art collections from the Prince of Liechtenstein are among the most important private collections in the world, and you can see everywhere in Vaduz some nice pieces of art. Like in every touristic city, you can find some lovely souvenirs. Because of the short distance to Switzerland, you can find here also in Liechtenstein the very famous Swiss chocolate. Visible from almost everywhere, the castle of the prince looms 120 meters high above Vaduz. And certainly you can find in Vaduz one of the finest Swiss-made watches in the world. From Patek Philippe to Rolex, you can find here everything you want.
Now I'm up at the mountain, very close to the castle from the prince. Let's have a look, but I guess he don't let us in. So we will just see how it looks like from outside.
What a wonderful view overlooking Liechtenstein. Let's finish the tour here. We are driving down to the city again and get us a good coffee in a coffee shop. I hope you enjoyed the tour to Vaduz. So it's time for coffee. Cheers!